What's up? Welcome back. It's your TECHY dude here again. Ngayong araw, we will be reviewing this microphone from FiFine, or I don't know actually how to pronounce that one, so maybe correct me, FiFine. So I'll be sticking with FiFine all throughout in this video. So this is the FiFine K658 podcast gaming and streaming microphone. So I'll be sharing with you what are my thoughts and opinion with regards to this microphone. So over the years, I actually used quite a number of microphones already. So right here, I have a shotgun microphone from Boya, and right here, I also have a condenser type microphone from HyperX. This is the HyperX Quadcast, and right now we are going to be reviewing this microphone from FiFine. And now I'm actually starting to love this FiFine K658 dynamic microphone. And bakit nga ba? Stick around para malaman nyo. So before tayo magsimula, just a short message from our sponsor. CDKOffers.com is an all-in-one website where you could buy licensed keys. Just simply look for whichever software games you're looking for. Click on the buy now button. I know their licensed keys are already cheap, but want to make it cheaper? Simply enter DUDE20, which is an exclusive discount code that will give you a 20% discount from your purchases. Then enter your payment details and you should immediately receive the key once the payment has been confirmed. After receiving the key, you can then activate your software or games instantly. So first of all, I would like to thank FiFine for sending me this product, the K658 dynamic microphone. But again, just a disclaimer before we actually start the review, all of my thoughts and opinion are from my own. Hindi ito biased na dapat yung magaganda lang yung sasabihin ko with regards to this product, but rather I'll be sharing with you my honest and own opinion with regards to this microphone. So immediately, as you would have noticed, I'll be actually recording only using this microphone all throughout this video so that you get to already have an immersive experience with regards to the audio quality that you'll be getting straight out of this microphone right here. So ano nga ba yung included dito sa package niya upon buying this one? So upon opening the box, ito yung mga makukuha nyo included dun sa package niya. So first, of course, use your manual and user guide para dun sa initial setup and configurations nitong microphone na to. And then you also get to have this 2.5 meters USB-C to USB-A connector for the microphone. Sapat naman na yung kahabaan nito. Meron na rin siya included na free mic stand para sa tabletop. And take note, bakal to. Next, you also get to have a shock mount right here. And lastly, of course, the actual microphone. Alright, let's now go ahead and take a look at the actual features and little details and specs of this FiFine K658 dynamic microphone. So first, as you would have noticed, meron siya ditong quick mute button, and if you press this one, it will mute the microphone, and if you unpress that one, it will unmute the microphone. Meron siyang light indicator around that mute button, so it colors green kapag naka-enable yung microphone natin, and kapag naman minute natin siya, it will turn red. Aside from that, I also noticed that the body of this particular microphone is actually a metal one. It provides more durability, especially with regards to handling this microphone or even just for your daily use. Aside from the mute button, it also has a gain control knob right here that allows you to control the audio gains or audio levels of the microphone. Kung napapansin nyo rin, meron rin siyang RGB lighting around dito sa likod, and you could easily turn that one on or off using another toggle switch button right here. And it's also a touch sensitive button. So if you don't want that rainbow RGB lighting vibes on your microphone, you could easily toggle that one with a single touch right here. Apparently, there's no way for you to change that particular lighting into a single color of your preference. So that might be something that can be added by FiFine in the future. It also comes with a low latency monitoring on dito sa likod niya. So you could plug in a headset or rather a 3.5mm audio jack on the back of this microphone so that you could listen in real time without latency. The audio quality that you'll be getting straight out of the microphone with this particular settings, especially the audio gain set on this microphone. So since this is also a dynamic microphone, expect that it will be less prone to background noise. And also I noticed that it has an excellent noise rejection, which I'll be showing and demonstrating later on the audio tests. So currently nakikita nyo rin na it comes with a mic stand right here that I have set up on this microphone so that I could demonstrate it to you, especially for those who doesn't have yet a boom arm. So for those who are buying this microphone for the first time, this is what you'll be getting, and you could immediately start using this microphone without the need of buying a separate or dedicated boom arm. So as you can see right here, it comes with a shock arm on the microphone. So you could attach that one. Actually, you should attach that one onto the microphone, so for you to be able to use this connector right here for a desktop mic stand, or if you have any plans to attach this on a boom arm. But apparently, as you would have noticed, it has a plastic shock mount. Compared to the metal composition of the microphone itself, this comes with a particular reason. One of which is the price of this one is only around $100. Kaya naman, it will become more expensive if they would have to put a metal shock mount on this FiFine K658. And apparently, they were not targeting this to those high-end users. So this is more on the budget side. Kaya naman, they used only a plastic shock mount. This FiFine K658 outputs and supports 16-bit depth at 48 kHz sample rate. The frequency response of this particular dynamic microphone is 70 Hz up to 15 kHz. It also has a fixed polar pattern or pickup pattern, which is a cardioid polar pattern. A cardioid polar pattern is usually used whenever you are in close proximity with the microphone, or at least just a few inches away from the microphone, as it is able to reject the noise that is not within that close proximity with the microphone. Alright, it seems like we've covered enough with regards to all of the features and highlights of this FiFine K658 dynamic microphone. Let's go ahead and proceed with the audio test that I've actually conducted on this microphone. So this is the audio quality that you'll be getting from the FiFine K658 at around 5 inches away from the microphone, which is the actual optimal distance from the microphone, so you could maximize the audio quality and the clarity that you could get from this microphone. Moving away around 10 inches away from the microphone, just an approximate distance from the microphone, here's the audio quality that you'll be getting from the microphone, having the highest gain on this microphone. So we'll see what this audio quality will look like on the post-editing. As right now, I won't have any idea with regards to the audio quality that I can get from this particular angle or distance away from the microphone. So another thing that I thought of is to adjust the angle of the microphone. Maintaining the same distance, this is another audio quality test that we are going to be conducting, and this is the same approximate distance, only with the different angle on the microphone, and the microphone is pointing towards our mouth right here compared sa kanina na medyo nakatingala yung microphone. So this would make the microphone hopefully get more of the voice while I'm speaking right now on the microphone. So right now, this is the white noise or brown noise test on the microphone. So we are going to be checking out. I'm currently playing a brown noise on my phone right here. We're going to be checking out kung gaano siya kagaling mag-reject nung brown noise that is playing on a constant volume at around 90% volume on my cell phone right here. So here we go. Next, I'll be doing some sort of a short beatbox test on this microphone so that you get to have an idea kung ano yung magiging audio quality niya and how well will it be able to perform with plosive sounds. So overall speaking, I'm already quite impressed on the audio quality that you'll be getting from this FiFine K658 dynamic microphone. It's only less than 5,000 pesos or around $100. That's already a pretty decent microphone, especially if you want to step up the audio quality of your video production. Aside from that, I love the premium touch and features of this microphone, and knowing that it has a metallic body, so definitely expect that it will last for a long time. And the other premium touches, such as the quick mute and unmute button right here, provides a lot of helpful and hefty features that you can use when you are doing some podcast, when you are streaming, or even when you are gaming. So that's about it for my review with regards to the FiFine K658 dynamic microphone. I might be using this for more of my videos, and I actually plan to compare this to other microphones that I had before. So make sure to subscribe on this channel so that you get notified when that particular video comes out, if ever you're interested to watch that one. And leave me your comments down below if you have any questions with regards to this FiFine K658 dynamic cardioid polar pattern microphone. Again, it's your Tech Dude here. See you in my next tech videos.